Here's how to reinstall Xbox Game Bar if it has been removed from your PC. Game Bar cannot be reinstalled directly through Windows settings. It comes as a dependency of the Xbox app, which means reinstalling the Xbox app is what brings Game Bar back. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Xbox. Find the green Xbox app and install it if it is not already on your system. Once installed, open it and click your profile name in the top left. Go to Settings in the left navigation and click App. Scroll down to the Dependencies section. If Xbox Game Bar is missing from your system, it will appear here with an Install button next to it. Click Install and Game Bar will be reinstalled automatically. If you do not see it listed in Dependencies, it is already installed on your system and simply needs to be re-enabled through Windows settings. To confirm Game Bar is working, press Windows G while in a game or on your desktop. The overlay should appear immediately. If it does not, open Settings, then Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, and make sure the toggle is switched on. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.